Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the idea fast. Talk to 5-10 real users to confirm the pain. Once validated, pick one core metric to drive decisions, like monthly active users or conversion percentage. Make sure your tech is minimal: one front-end framework, one back-end service, and a single database. Then set a 1-month roadmap with 3 milestones and implement an MVP feature that demonstrates value. This gets you from concept to a testable product quickly, so you now enter execution. Organize work in 2-week sprints and commit to shipping a usable slice each cycle. Instrument everything: analytics, error tracking, and funnel events, so you can measure impact. Once done, run small experiments like a /B test for pricing or a tweak to onboarding, and analyze results against your core metric. Make sure to prioritize technical debt alongside features, and use metrics to decide whether to pivot, persevere, or double down on what works. You're at launch. Coordinate legal, billing, documentation, and support so the release is smooth. Once live, scale gradually, monitor CPU, database load, and user-facing latency, and add capacity before pain hits. Make sure to use feature flags for risky rollouts and have reliable backups and an automated rollback plan. If something goes wrong, isolate the change, flip the flag, and restore from backup if needed. Then run a postmortem to prevent recurrence and close the loop on learnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.